For these equations, I see a bunch of x's and y's, which means they are in algebra mode. So my job is to turn them into trig mode, which again is really just a simple conversion from x's and y's into r's and thetas. So let's begin with the first one. Okay, I see x squared plus y squared. Right there, it's saying x squared plus y squared is nothing more than r squared in trig mode. Okay, so r squared equals 9. So I could be a little bit more specific, square root both sides, so r equals 3. So that's it. Now, if you want to think about this in terms of conics, we review conics real quickly. The center of this is 0, 0, x minus 0 squared, y minus 0 squared, and r squared is 9, so r equals 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can imagine I have a circle centered at 0, 0 with a radius of 3. So that's what it should look like. What this is saying when we talk about it in trig or polar mode is it's saying you have to be 3 steps away from the origin, r equals 3, which is what this is. In fact, all these points are 3 steps away. It doesn't specify an angle theta, so really you can be anywhere on this circle as long as you are 3 steps away. So that's how we could understand it from a conics point of view as well. All right, moving on to this next one. If I take a look at 3f, again, I see a bunch of x's and y's. Algebra, I got to get rid of those. Nothing but r's and thetas. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that. So that's going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16, and then plus y squared equals 16. Okay, then I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides, and then I'm actually going to put x and y squares together. X squared plus y squared minus 8x equals 0. And then, of course, I'm going to bump this guy to the other side just because I can see what's going to happen next. X squared plus y squared, I see from my conversion, that's nothing more than r squared equals, on this side, if this was a positive 8x, every time I see an x, I can easily convert it into r cosine theta. So here's my equation. I could take one further step, clean it up, divide both sides by r. So the cleanest form of this equation is going to be r equals 8 cosine theta. So that's it. This is the same exact equation as this circle, except it's in trig mode.